If you've ever tried making pour-over coffee at home and ended up with bitter, uneven results, chances are your kettle, not your beans, is the problem. Most people don't realize how much control over water flow and temperature actually matters until they try something like this. Today we're looking at the Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle, a compact, precision-focused kettle designed specifically for coffee and tea lovers who want more control without getting overly technical. This isn't just a basic water boiler. It's built for people who care about taste, consistency, and a smoother daily brewing routine. Right out of the box, the design feels intentional. It has that clean, minimal look that fits nicely on a kitchen counter without screaming for attention. The matte finish gives it a slightly premium feel, and more importantly, it doesn't attract fingerprints like glossy kettles tend to. The gooseneck spout is the star here. It's slim, curved, and clearly designed for control rather than speed. When you hold it, the handle feels balanced, not awkward or front-heavy, which is a big deal when you're pouring slowly over coffee grounds. The build quality is another strong point. Inside, you're getting food-grade stainless steel on the lid, spout, and interior, which means no weird plastic smells or aftertaste sneaking into your water. That's something a lot of cheaper kettles struggle with. It also just feels more durable overall, like it's built to last through daily use rather than feeling disposable after a year. Now let's talk about how it actually performs in real life, because that's where this kettle either proves itself or doesn't. First, heating speed is solid. With its 1,200 watt power, it brings water up to temperature quickly without being excessively loud. It's not silent, but it's not disruptive either. You can still have a conversation or listen to music without cranking the volume. The real highlight is the 5 one-touch temperature presets. Instead of guessing or using a thermometer, you just tap a button, depending on what you're brewing. That makes a big difference if you switch between green tea, black tea, and coffee. Each one needs slightly different temperatures, and this kettle takes the guesswork out completely. In practice, it's one of those features you don't think you need until you use it daily. Then there's the pour. This is where the gooseneck design shines. You get a slow, steady stream that's easy to control, even if you're new to pour over coffee. It doesn't dump water aggressively like standard kettles, which helps you avoid over-extracting your coffee. That translates directly into better flavor, cleaner, smoother, and more balanced cups. The keep warm function is another small but genuinely useful addition. It holds your water at the selected temperature for up to an hour, which is perfect if you get distracted or want a second cup without reheating. It stays pretty accurate, too, within a few degrees, so you're not losing consistency. Of course, it's not perfect. The 0.8 liter capacity is on the smaller side. If you're making multiple cups for a group, you'll probably need to refill and reheat. It's clearly designed for personal use, or maybe 2 people at most. Also, if you just want to boil water quickly for things like instant noodles or large quantities, a standard kettle might be more practical. Compared to other kettles in this price range, the Cosori stands out mainly for its balance of precision and ease of use. Some competitors offer more advanced features like app control or ultra-fine temperature adjustments, but they also come with a steeper learning curve and a higher price. On the other end, cheaper kettles might boil water just fine, but they lack the control and consistency that make a noticeable difference in coffee and tea quality. So, what does this leave us? If you're someone who enjoys pour-over coffee, loose-leaf tea, or just wants a more controlled brewing experience without diving into complicated gear, this kettle makes a lot of sense. It simplifies the process while still giving you better results. But if you just need hot water fast and in large amounts, you might not fully benefit from what it offers. If you're interested, check the link in the description to see the current price and availability. And if this helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing. There's more honest, real-world reviews coming your way.